Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. Nick Crypto Crusader posting this, and guys, we're getting very close. The all-time high for Bitcoin is less than 6% away. Bringing up the Bitcoin chart, you guys can see here that we have now reached a new inter-year high for Bitcoin. I'm going to throw this on the hourly. And during the overnight hours, you guys can see Bitcoin did breach a new high, guys, $65,500 per BTC. And if I throw that on the 5-minute, you guys can see this price action now over the last couple hours now has been vacillating up and down, some sideways movement here. But guys, it's looking as though we are eyeing a new all-time high, possibly before the halving. Let me put this back on the daily. And check this out. I mean, this is unprecedented. We have never seen this before. Right there, that's all-time high. And I'm going to bring it down there, or about 5.3% off the all-time high. Something new for the crypto space. It is currently 3:42 a.m. This is Nick's post here. And I don't see how by the end of the day we are not trading over all-time high, especially with the ETF volume picking up again later today. It's crazy. We are here in this moment in the market. And, many people are noticing this, including Janet Yellen.
Council has discussed crypto regulations and legislations at length, and we have come to the conclusion that instead of regulating, we are going to ape a fat bag each into laptop and pump it to over $1 billion, 300 million, trillion market cap. Let's fucking go, crackheads.
I died when I saw this morning. Even Janet Yellen wants us to ape in big fat bags. So what is going to happen next? Check this out, guys. Extreme greed now in the market, which is, at this point in time, we should be getting concerned. I mean, there is still room to move. Market cap up here it's up by 4%. It's up to $2.42 trillion. And we've got the 24-hour volume really ramping up, 30.56%. Bitcoin dominance, though, still holding on. That is a key factor here. We are seeing altcoins now move along with Bitcoin and have been now for a while. So this is something that generally doesn't happen in the past. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is up 5.55%. And many other altcoins are up along with it. XRP is up almost 5%. We've got other coins such as Dogecoin. That's up 19.2% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu's up 21.45%. Let's take a look at some of the big movers here. I noticed Pepe coin was also up quite a bit, 35.9% in the last 24 hours and 388%, guys, in the last 7 days. So, at this point in time, we're seeing alts run alongside Bitcoin. The blockchain backer here also mentioning this. Okay, total market cap for the entire crypto market is poking through the 0.702. We saw a lot of altcoin movement when this happened back in 2020. For example, in 2020, XRP went from 30 cents to 79 cents in the following 3 days. So guys, this is these are the moments that we should be getting excited about. At this point in time, this is when we really should be paying attention. For my Patreon subscribers, I'm going to be updating you guys, posting a few updates in the next, in the coming days, weeks, all leading up to these new highs. Let's take a look at the total market cap here. You guys can see this is this is cryptocurrency, total crypto market cap poking through, as the blockchain backer mentioned here, poking through the 0.702. So now altcoins, historically we've seen altcoins rally, and by and large they are. A lot of them are. There's nothing like the smell of FOMO in the morning from Fred Krueger. Even on Google Trends, you guys can see this is the Google Trends term for Bitcoin for the United States. And you guys can see over the last several days, we've seen a huge influx for the term Bitcoin. And even if you click on worldwide, the chart doesn't really change too much. It's pretty much the same trend that we're seeing here. So all around the world, everything is looking very positive for the King Crypto, and by extension, the rest of the altcoin market. Good Morning Crypto posting this, Bitcoin supply shock. So that is the other thing. How high is this thing going to go? We're so close to all-time high. We have not even hit the halving yet, which is in another month and a half, almost 2 months away. Right now, over 10,000 Bitcoin are purchased daily, with only 900 new coins being produced. That's an 11x demand versus supply ratio. So keep those numbers in mind, guys. Come late April, daily production is reduced to 450 BTC, creating an astonishing 22 demand, so the demand is going to double versus the supply ratio. Brace yourself for the supply shock of a lifetime. So the theory goes as such, there is just not going to be enough Bitcoin. Plain and simple, there's going to be too much demand and not enough Bitcoin to support that demand, thus sending Bitcoin price even higher. But we got to be careful. We can't get too greedy. Remember, be fearful when those are greedy and greedy when those are fearful. And, guys, it's getting very close to that time when we will be selling, when we will be making trades. And again, you can find all that information at what I'm going to be doing at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. So we're getting very, very close. Blockchain backer here. Also mentioning this, when Bitcoin made the push back to new highs in 2020, it was a show-stopping event. BTC dominance roared. That is not the case, though, in 2023 and 2024. There is a significant dynamic difference happening in this environment, with the altcoin market keeping up and many outpacing. So again, 2023, 2024, very different than what the atmosphere was like in the year 2020 at this same point in the cycle, last cycle. So things are looking different this time, but I think they're actually looking better. I think altcoins are performing very well, and I do think that altcoin season might look a little different this time around too. So I hope for all of you guys who are in this to win this. Remember, as Raul Pal says, DFTU, don't mess this bull run up. And if you want to see what I'm doing, I've opened up the $10,000 plus portfolio with my diversified altcoins, and you can find that at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel for only $5 a month. I've kept it purposely affordable. We are going to all make a lot of money in this run, and I want you guys to stick with me till the end, till I cash out everything. Let's keep moving along, guys. Linda P. Jones also mentioning this. Okay, many people are perplexed by what is happening in the crypto market. It was supposed to be the year of Bitcoin, but it looks like the year of meme coins. So, I mean, I don't know why people are so perplexed about this. As blockchain backers said, the entire crypto market now is gaining steam. And I feel like, there's a more sophisticated type of trader in this space. So, where there is potential to make money, people are investing. This is partially why I did diversify this time around. She goes, so what is happening? There are three things causing this. So hedge funds, they're investing in meme coins. A hedge fund manager mentioned they raised funds specifically to invest in meme coins. I don't know how much money they raised, but millions of dollars invested in meme coins will move them dramatically higher. Number two, meme coins provide greater percentage gains than Bitcoin. So that has been, my philosophy too. If Bitcoin moves from 60,000 to 120,000, that's 100%. Certainly better than stocks and other ETFs, but not as good as some meme coins, which move thousands of percentage points, at least they have in the past. And three, most importantly, I think this is likely the last year of meme coins. Why? Because next year we may get crypto legislation, and that is really going to hinder a lot of this FOMOing and exceptional gains in the future. This year we will get stablecoin legislation, next year crypto legislation. That makes this year the last year you can buy meme coins and make a killing. It's all a cycle. This is the fourth year of the cycle, which is like the 2020 all over again for crypto. Hot, hot, hot. You already know meme coins are speculative. Don't put all your money into them. Investing this year may make you a bundle, but look for a time to sell them next year. The profits this year will soar. Then they will fade away like the dot-coms did. They were fun and lucrative while they lasted. Words of wisdom from Linda P. Jones here, and I could not agree more. Credible Crypto also chiming in on this. Crazy as it seems, this is pretty spot on. The last 20% of the cycle is the most insane thing you will ever experience. So, something else to keep in mind, guys. We are not here. Let me bring up the Bitcoin chart again, and let me remove some of this here. The last 20% of the cycle, you think the market is getting hot right now? Well, think about this for a second, okay? Let me go to previous markets, or previous cycles rather. This is a Bitcoin chart, okay? So from let me put up the date range tool from 2013, or actually I'll take it from the bottom of the market to the top, okay? January 2015 all the way to up here. That was about 1,066 days. Okay, right from the trough, from the bottom of the market right to the top, okay? And this was this ended in, for Bitcoin at least, it ended in December 2017. Now let me move over here. So 1,066 days, and from the bottom here, December 2018, all the way to the top up here, that was about 1,060 days. So you're seeing a pattern here, roughly the same amount of time. And guys, where are we at today? Bottom of the market, we are only 468, 469, days in, give or take. Let me throw that back up there just to show you guys. I double-clicked it by accident here. So let me, put that, come on. All right, so let me try that one more time. Let's bring up this tool here, bring it from the bottom of the market. And that's not the tool. This is the tool I want to use. Bring it from the bottom of the market all the way to today, guys. And we're only at 469 bars. So just over half of where we would be at in former bull run. So guys, at this point in time, and I got an update here. Bitcoin right now commanding $65,400 per coin. Let me throw this back on the hourly for you guys. So it looks like that inter-year high has been breached, and we are now looking to dominate the all-time high, $69,000 per BTC. Interesting to note, too, total market cap of the entire crypto market poking through the 702. Okay, this courtesy of the blockchain backer here. We saw a lot of altcoin movement with this when it happened in 2020. For example, in 2020, XRP went from 30 cents to 79 cents in the following 3 days. So that is the other thing that I wanted to mention here, guys. 30 cents to 79 cents. Let's bring up XRP here on the charts. XRP to USD. And we're just going to take a look at the price right now. Right now, we're seeing an XRP price worth about 65.5 cents. So it did come down over the last few days. Now we're trading at 65.5 cents. But even just going back to the blockchain backer's point here, you know, comparing this altcoin market with 2020, and the fact of the matter is this altcoin market is now happening in movement with the Bitcoin spot price. And so let's just take a look at this for a second here. Let's bring up XRP on the daily, and I'm just going to remove some of that to show you guys here. And I'm going to put up this price range tool here. So from 30 cents to 79 cents, we just take a look at that. So I'm just going to bring up 30 cents to 79 cents per XRP, guys. That is up 163%. You got to think, and again, the conditions are going to be different, but you got to think of where that could take us in this bull run. 63, that would bring us up to about $1.72 per XRP. So, you know, something that we have not seen in a long time. My guess, though, considering we are already now approaching the 0.236, my guess, though, is that the next level, guys, that we're going to be eyeing is going to be this level right over here. So it is the 0.618 where XRP would hit $1.32. That is the next reasonable target, in my opinion, for an XRP blasting through these levels here. And so that would be, let's calculate that from today's price here. That would only be about just about 100% of an increase. So, you know, when blockchain backers saying in 2020 XRP went from 30 cents to 79 cents, that was 160%, 100% certainly doable. So my thought is, you know, next level for XRP, $1.32. It has happened in the past. I don't see why it could not happen again today. And so when it comes to meme coins, I noticed that Pepe coin was trending. And, you know, we talked a little bit about Pepe coin this morning. It is, I believe, number 41 here on CoinMarketCap. Number 40 now, okay, on CoinMarketCap. And we are seeing it up 392%. To 393% in the last 7 days, up over 44% just in the last 24 hours. So to Linda P. Jones's point here, you know, the meme coins are trending. Cashta here also mentioning, you know, over the next few days, where does anyone think the volume in these gains are going to go when they return to normal? So, you know, what happens is people invest in these meme coins and then they shuffle their profits into low flyers. And XRP, guys, being one of these coins that just has not popped yet, I want to take a quick look at the total 2 market cap as well here. So this is all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin. And where are we now on the alts or on the total 2? Okay, so we are just surpassing the 0.5. Remember where we had to get, guys, before the euphoria phase really kind of died out. We were very, very close. Whoops, very, very close to the top here. Okay, again, all altcoins excluding Bitcoin. The 3.618 is what we hit before, you know, everybody just cashed out of their cryptos. That was in and around November 2021. XRP did see its high back in April of 2021, so that was somewhere in and around here. All altcoins are going to look different, guys. Just going back to the Bitcoin price chart here and remembering we are only 469 days into this, okay? So think about it, guys. In the past, it took just over 1,000 days, 1,060 roughly, from the bottom here in 2018 to the top here, 1,060. And then we saw the same thing here, guys, back here in 2015, all the way to the top in 2017, about 1,070, give or take 1,068 roughly. So we're getting very, very close. We are eyeing a $1.32 XRP next. Remember how fast this can move, guys. Just remember, even if we get up to the 0.786, that is definitely doable considering XRP did go up over 160%. That would only bring it up 146% in 3 days. So not saying it's going to happen in 3 days, but I do want you guys to be prepared. And again, patreon.com/workingmoney channel if you want to see what I'm doing. It is only $5 a month. I'm opening up my trading portfolio to all my Patreon subscribers. I'm also going to be doing another live Q&A session probably sometime soon. So if that is something you are interested in, you can find me there. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.